Welcome to your next weekend project. If you've been dreaming of transforming your space with a premium project, this DIY swing set with slide is the ultimate choice. It's a gorgeous and sturdy design that combines the elegance of custom craftsmanship with the satisfaction of building it yourself. Before you begin, planning is everything. One of the biggest mistakes DIYers make is guessing dimensions and angles, which leads to wasted wood and crooked structures. With our professional woodworking blueprints, you can say goodbye to guesswork. Let's review the specifications. This structure features an overall width of 116. Overall height, a depth of custom depth, and stands at a sturdy height of 99.5. Features. This layout gives you plenty of usable space while maintaining a beautifully balanced silhouette. To build this structure, here are the essential materials you will need: standard lumber studs, pocket hole screws, heavy-duty anchors, wood glue, and high-quality outdoor sealer or varnish. For the tools, ensure you have a miter saw or circular saw, a power drill, a tape measure, a speed square, and a sander. Our building plan breaks the project down into clear, stress-free stages. First, you'll prepare the timber using our precise cut list. Next, you'll assemble the main base and vertical supports. Then, you'll frame the structural walls and shelves. Finally, you'll construct the top surfaces, sand everything smooth, and apply a protective finish. Don't settle for cheap, mass-produced furniture or kits. Build an heirloom quality piece that will last for years and elevate your home. The complete, easy-to-follow PDF download with detailed 3D step-by-step illustrations, a full shopping list, and cut layouts is available right now. Click the link in the video description to download your copy and start building today. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more premium woodworking plans. Happy building!